Let's talk about teenage pregnancy.
The Philippines has a concerningly high rate of teenage pregnancy. Alarming trends. In 2022, there were 5,721 births among teenagers, a 10.16% increase from the previous year, linked icon. The youngest mother are increasingly common with 3,135 adolescent girls under 15, giving birth in 2022, a 35.13% increase from the previous year. The province of Bacolod alone recorded over 11,000 cases of teenage pregnancy. Between 2022 and 2023, impact and consequences. Teenage pregnancies pose significant health risks to both adolescents, mother, and their children, include increased maternal mortality and severe neonatal conditions. Teenage mothers often have to stop schooling, which deprives them of a better future. The economic cost of teen pregnancies in the Philippines is estimated at approximately 33 billion per year. Prevention strategies. Comprehensive sexuality education programs are crucial to provide adolescents with accurate information about sexual and reproductive health. Increase access to contraceptives is initial, including a range of methods suitable for teenagers. Community engagement and awareness are vital to foster a supportive environment for young people. Legislative measures. The Philippines is working on comprehensive legislative measures to address teenage pregnancy, including strengthening comprehensive sexuality education programs providing social protection for at-risk and teenage mothers, ensuring unrestricted access to sexual and reproductive health service for adolescents.
Teenage pregnancy can be caused by a complex interplay of social, economic, and personal factors. Social and economic factors. Lack of comprehensive sexuality education. Insufficient or inadequate sex education can lead to a lack of knowledge about contraception, sexually transmitted infections or STIs, and responsible sexual behavior. In socio-economic disadvantage. Teenagers from low-income families may face increased pressure to engage in social activity due to various factors, including limited access to education, job opportunities, and resources. Peer pressure and social norms. Social norms and peer pressure can influence teenagers' decisions regarding sexual activity, especially in communities where early sexual initiation is prevalent.
Access to contraception, limited access to contraception, including condoms and other methods, can increase the risk of unintended pregnancy. Substance abuse. Alcohol and drug use can encourage increased sexual behavior. Sexual abuse and infanticide. Teenagers who had experienced sexual abuse or execution at higher risk and unintended pregnancy. Cultural and social factors. Child marriage and in some cultures, early marriage is common practice leading to teenager pregnancy. Gender equality. Societal norms that predicate gender inequality can limit girls' access to education, healthcare, and decision-making power, increasing their vulnerability to unintended pregnancy. It's more important to note that teenager pregnancy is a complex issue with a multiple contribute factors. Addressing this factor through comprehensive education, access to healthcare, and social change can result to reduce the incidence of teenager pregnancy.
World Health Organization (WHO) The WHO provides the comprehensive information on adolescent pregnancy, including global statistics, risk factors, consenting, and nutrition.